Let's talk about how to pair the foot switch with your power wand. So what you do is you first turn the machine on, you hold down the center button for 5 seconds. Okay, once it's on, step 1, hold the minus and plus button down for 3 seconds to enter Bluetooth mode. Okay, once you see the Bluetooth symbol, click the plus button 1 time for search mode. Once it's in search mode, you quickly tap the foot switch 1 time. It'll activate a blink, it'll make a noise, and voila, you are connected. Simply hold the foot switch down, let go, it activates just like any other foot switch, and you are connected. If you look at the decimal right in between the numbers, you're going to see that it's completely filled in. When that's filled in, it's on continuous mode. Now, if you don't want continuous mode and you want it to be momentary mode, then what you do is you hold the power button down and the plus sign, and you'll see that it's no longer filled in. It's now a hollow decimal point, means it's on momentary mode. That means as long as your foot is on the foot switch, it'll work. Now, if you want to take a lunch break, I'm going to show you how to put this battery on sleep mode. So what you do is you hit the power button twice. It says standby on the screen. You can simply put your machine down, go take a lunch break. It'll save you your connection for the Bluetooth as well. And when you come back from your lunch break or whatever you're doing, you can pick the machine right back up, hit it twice again, you're back on. Okay, so if you want to unpair the battery pack from the foot switch and just go back to regular use, again, what you do is you hold down the plus and minus button to enter Bluetooth mode, 3 seconds. Once you see the Bluetooth icon, you simply hit the minus button 1 time. That takes away Bluetooth mode on the foot switch.